Ahmed, a young servant boy of 12, had lived in the opulent palace of Caliph al-Mutasim for as long as he could remember. Though his duties often kept him busy, he always found moments to observe the palace's most esteemed guest, Imam Muhammad Al-Jawad. From the first time Ahmed saw Imam Jawad, he was struck by his serene demeanor and profound wisdom. Despite his youth, Imam Jawad exuded an aura of calm and knowledge that drew people to him. Ahmed admired how the Imam treated everyone with kindness, regardless of their status. One evening, as Ahmed was polishing silverware in the grand dining hall, he overheard a hushed conversation between two palace officials. They spoke of the caliph's growing envy and fear of Imam Jawad's influence. Ahmed's heart sank as he heard them discuss a sinister plan to poison the Imam. Unable to contain his worry, Ahmed sneaked away to the garden where he knew Imam Jawad often walked in contemplation. Finding him there, Ahmed hesitated but then approached the Imam, his eyes wide with concern.
Imam Jawad,
he whispered.
I overheard something terrible. The Caliph plans to harm you with poison. Please be careful.
Imam Jawad looked at Ahmed with gentle eyes, placing a reassuring hand on his shoulder.
Thank you, Ahmad, for your concern. Sometimes we cannot avoid the trials that come our way, but know that truth and justice will always prevail, even if we must face hardship.
Despite the Imam's comforting words, Ahmed couldn't shake the fear that gripped his heart. Over the next few days, he watched helplessly as the palace's atmosphere grew increasingly tense. One fateful day, Ahmed was serving wine at a lavish banquet when he saw Mamun's daughter, wife of Imam, presented Imam Jawad a plate full of fruits, especially some selected grapes. A sense of dread filled him as he realized this was the moment of treachery. The Imam, with his usual calm, accepted the offering and ate it without hesitation. Hours later, the palace was in chaos. Word spread quickly that Imam Jawad had fallen gravely ill. Ahmed's heart ached as he heard the anguished cries of those who loved and respected the Imam. He knew the poison had done its cruel work. The next day, Ahmed joined the mourning crowd outside the palace. Tears streamed down his face as he remembered the Imam's words about truth and justice. Despite the oppressive caliph's vile act, Ahmed felt a glimmer of hope. Imam Jawad's legacy, he realized, was far more powerful than any poison. His teachings of compassion, justice, and unwavering faith would continue to inspire and guide generations to come. In the years that followed, Ahmed carried the memory of Imam Jawad with him, sharing the Imam's wisdom and kindness with everyone he met. He often recalled the gentle eyes and reassuring hand of the Imam, drawing strength from his example to face his own life's challenges. Through his story, Ahmed learned that even in the face of great evil, the spirit of righteousness could never be truly extinguished. The legacy of Imam Jawad lived on in the hearts of those who believed in the power of truth and justice.